It is a cabbage. Is it a fruit or vegetable? Yes, it is a vegetable. See the next one. Now see the next one. What is this? You have studied from nursery that it is A for apple. Is it a fruit or vegetable? Yes, it is a fruit. See the next one. What is this? It is a pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit or vegetable? Pineapple is a fruit. See the last one. Let me know if you find out it is a fruit or vegetable. See the picture. What is it? It is a watermelon, right? Is it a fruit or vegetable? Yes, it's a fruit. Okay, now we have completed the exercises. Now let us go to the chapter. Now we will study something about food. We need food when we are hungry. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to study and play. Food keeps us healthy. What are the uses of foods? See, the first one is food helps us to grow. A baby becomes a child only because of food. Food gives us energy to study and play. Food gives us energy to study and play. Without energy, we can't do anything, right? We can't run, we can't walk, we can't study even. Okay, so food is the only one which gives us energy to study and play. Then the third use is food keeps us healthy. We stay healthy because of food. So we have learned the three uses of food. Now let us have a look at the exercise. Now tell me which of these you like the most, okay? First one, what is this? It is a glass of milk. Do you like milk? I am sure most of you don't like milk, but you should drink milk because it gives us energy, okay? See the next picture. What is this? It is an ice cream. Do you like it? Yes, of course. It's your favorite one, right? Okay, let's move to the third one. What is this? These are eggs. All the non-vegetarians eat eggs. Are you a non-vegetarian or vegetarian? If you are a non-vegetarian, then you will like eggs. Okay. See the next one. What is this? Palak paneer. Do you like this sabji? I think most of you will not like this one, right? But you should eat every sabji cooked by your mother. Okay. See the next one. What is this? It is a cake. Do you like cakes? Yes, of course. It's also one of your favorite food items, right? Okay, let's move ahead. What is this? What is this? It's a plate of fried rice. Yes, I know it is one of your favorite food items, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. What is this? It is a plate of rasgullas. Do you like it? Yes, of course, you like it, no? Let's move ahead. What is this? What is this? It is Salad. Do you like it? You must eat it because it is a healthy food. See the next one. What is this? What is this? It is chapati and dal. Do you eat chapati and dal? I know most of you don't like this, but you must eat it because it is a healthy food. Okay? So moving on to the next picture. What is this? It is bread and butter. Some of you may like it, right? Okay, let's move ahead. What is this? It is a bowl of fruit salad. It is a healthy food, so you must not avoid it. Okay? So now let us continue with our chapter. Now we will see raw and cooked food. All fruits can be eaten raw, that is, in their natural form. Some vegetables such as cucumber, see here the picture of cucumber. In Hindi it is called kheera. Then second, radish. See the picture, what is it? Radish. In Hindi it is called mooli. And the last one is carrot. It is carrot. In Hindi, carrot is called gajar. Okay, these three are eaten in their raw form. They have to be eaten raw. Okay, it is not cooked. We have to cook some food items before we can eat them. Rice, dal, eggs, meat and most vegetables are cooked. So we have learned that many items or many food items are there which are eaten in their raw form, but many are there which have to be cooked, right? The food items which can be eaten in their raw form are cucumber, radish and carrot. And the examples of food items that must be cooked are rice, dal, eggs, meat, etc. Now, we will learn the time to eat different food items, okay? See the first one. We have breakfast in the morning. In the breakfast, we eat light food like fruits, bread and butter or bread and jam or juice. We have breakfast in the morning time. Then we have lunch in the afternoon. At what time do we eat lunch? We have our lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. Okay. What do we have at night? We have dinner at night. See, the three times are here. What are they? Morning, afternoon and night. In the morning we have breakfast. In the afternoon we have lunch. And at night we have dinner. Now we will see some healthy habits. Okay. See the healthy habits. Firstly, wash your hands before and after every meal. The first healthy habit is wash your hands before and after every meal. Why? Why there is a need to wash your hands before and after meal? Because our hands or our body carries different types of germs. If we will not wash our hands, then all those germs will enter inside our body. This will lead to sickness. Now the second healthy habit is eat fresh and clean food. You must eat fresh and clean food. The food must be covered properly, and you should not eat the food that was prepared 2 days ago. Okay? You should eat fresh and clean food. Then the third healthy habit is eat slowly, chew your food well. You must eat slowly. There is no hurry at the time of eating. So, you must eat slowly. Chew your food well. You must not swallow the food as a whole. You must take small bits and chew the food well. Then the next next healthy habit is wash fruits before eating them. You must wash the fruits before eating them. Why? Because the fruits may carry germs or dirt that will go inside your body if you will not wash them. So, you must wash fruits before eating them. Okay? Now, the next healthy habit is have your meals at a fixed time every day. You must have your meals at a fixed time every day. As I taught you earlier, there are different times to eat. In the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. You must not eat every minute at a day. Okay? There should be a fixed time for your eating. Then the next healthy habit is never waste food. You must not waste food. You should never waste food. Okay? Now let us have a look at the exercises of this chapter. First of all, see the first question. We eat this when we are hungry. What do we eat when we are hungry? First option is chapati and dal, and the second option is a paper. What do we eat? Yes, chapati and dal is the right option. See the next question. We eat this raw. Now tell me which of these food items are eaten in their natural form or in their raw form. First one is a brinjal and second one is a cucumber. What do we eat in the raw form? Yes, it is the cucumber. Now the next question. We cook this before eating. Now tell me the food items that we eat after it is cooked. Okay, the first option is cauliflower and the second is an apple. Tell me the answer. Is it a cauliflower or an apple? Yes, it is a cauliflower. Well done. Then the fourth question, what is it? We do this before and after every meal. What do we do before and after meal? I have taught you on the healthy habits. Do you remember? See the options. The first one is we should sleep before and after every meal. And the second, we should wash our hands before and after meal. Which is the right option? Yes, we should wash our hands before and after every meal. See the next question. Write H for healthy food habits. Now tell me which of these four are healthy food habits. Okay? See this girl. This girl does not wash her hands before eating. Is it a healthy food habit? No, it is not an healthy food habit. Why? Because she is not washing her hands before eating. The healthy food habit is we must wash our hands before and after eating, right? Okay. Now next one. This boy eats fresh food. Is it a healthy food habit? Yes, of course, it is an healthy food habit, right? Because he eats the fresh food. Now the third one. This boy chews his food well. Is it a healthy food habit? Yes, of course, because he chews his food well before eating. Right? He is not swallowing his food as a whole. So it is a healthy food habit. See the next one. This girl leaves food on her plate. Is this a healthy food habit? No, it is not a healthy food habit. Why? Because she leaves food on her plate. Healthy food habit states that we must never waste food, but this girl is wasting her food. So it is not a healthy food habit, right? Okay, we have completed this chapter. This is the first chapter and we have completed this. So children, we are winding up today. In my next video, you will be taught the second chapter. Till that, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.